Hi friends, welcome back to Cadable, and today we'll make a very simple tutorial on how to convert a SolidWorks file or SolidWorks sketch to AutoCAD. And the basic motive of this tutorial is to create a DXF file which will be used for machining. And in AutoCAD we have two formats, DWG and DXF. DWG is Autodesk standard drawing format, and DXF is data exchange format, which is used by many machining softwares, by many machining processes like different CAM softwares, laser, Wirecut, EDM, etc. And in this exercise, first of all we have to make basic, let's say a basic blank in SolidWorks, and then we'll convert that basic 2D sketch to DXF file for machining. And first of all we'll go to, let's say, front plane and select sketch, and we have to make a very basic 2D sketch using spline. And just select a line. Remember, it's a arbitrary shape. I'm not going into the details, just creating a basic sketch. And let's say we have to make two fillets here and here. Select OK, and we are done with this basic blank. So let's go to save as, and here we will not save our part as SolidWorks part, that is the extension is SLDPRT, that is solid part, and we have to change it to, let's say, either DXF or DWG. DWG is not accepted by all machining softwares or all machining let's say all machining processes, and DXF is accepted by many machining processes and many machining softwares. Here we have so many extensions like CATIA, PNG, JPEG, ProE, Creo, etc. step files, which are mostly used. And here we'll save it to .txf. So select this and select save, and here it is asking faces, loops, edges. It is a very basic 2D sketch. So just select this and select this current view, and here we can select this its output alignment, that is the origin of this part, and just select OK, and here it will show us a very basic preview. And here we can see its preview in AutoCAD, and just select save, and our file is saved. So we can go to AutoCAD and we can check that file. Let's say so here is our part 1, and let's open it, and it will take some time to open. So here is our blank, and just using the pan command, just select escape and go to UCS and select show UCS at origin. So here is our basic blank, which we have already created in SolidWorks, and we have converted that SolidWorks file to AutoCAD, and here I have opened my SolidWorks part or SolidWorks sketch in AutoCAD, and this sketch I can use in let's say any CAM software or laser cut, etc. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, any queries, in fact I can use major tool for different dimensions, right? And let's say I want to calculate the radius, so here I can calculate it. Let's say this, and here the radius of this arc is, let's say, 30. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, any queries related to this or any other or any other tutorial, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.